Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect Coinbase wallet to Jupiter. This guide will help you seamlessly link your wallet for decentralized finance activities. We'll cover everything from preparing your Coinbase wallet to confirming the successful connection on the Jupiter platform. It's a simple process that takes just a few moments, allowing you to access a wide range of trading opportunities. Let's get started with the first step. Before connecting, first open your Coinbase wallet application. It's crucial to ensure your wallet is funded with a small amount of Solana, or SOL, to cover any transaction fees on the Solana network. Also, please confirm that your Coinbase wallet application is updated to its latest version to ensure optimal performance and security. This preparation ensures a smooth connection process without any unexpected interruptions. Now let's link your wallet. Open your web browser and navigate to the official Jupiter aggregator website. Once on the site, look for the Connect Wallet button, usually located in the top right corner of the page. Click this button and a list of compatible wallets will appear. From this list, simply select Coinbase Wallet to initiate the connection process. After selecting Coinbase Wallet, a connection request will appear within your Coinbase Wallet application. Carefully review the details and then approve the connection. Once approved, your wallet address should become visible on the Jupiter aggregator interface, confirming a successful link. You are now fully connected and ready to explore the various token swapping and trading opportunities available on the Jupiter platform. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.